Humans and cats have been friends for a long time. In ancient Egypt, cats were even worshipped as gods. Although precise records still remain in question to historians, there is evidence that cats have been part of the human family since around 1290 BC. Luckily, ancient Egyptians left enough stories in their hieroglyphics and carvings. Domestication amongst animals usually starts with a mutually beneficial relationship between humans and their furry companions. For humans' other best friend, the symbiotic relationship began much earlier. When early humans were hunters and gatherers, the relationship between canine and human began when humans discovered that if they shared a snack with them, the eager dog would happily accompany and assist them during hunts. It was not until humans began to settle and discover agriculture that ancestor cats came crawling out of their shadowy hiding spaces, shedding light on their keen abilities. With farming came grains. With grains came mice. Well, with the influx of mice, cats discovered plentiful, concentrated clusters of the tasty morsels. In the fields and in their homes, the threat of snakes posed imminent danger to humans. Cats were also a stealth hero in taking care of the venomous reptiles. Appreciative of cats' noble service, ancient humans began leaving food out and providing shelter for the helpful felines. Trust began to build. The wild, ancient Egyptian hunting cat began to linger, longer and longer. And that, my friends, is a brief history of how cat became one of humans' most treasured companions.